I have been doing video editing on a 2016 MacBook Pro, SND had always used Samsung Tom 5S a Swing Space to Move project while I have worked on them on the internal SSD. To my surprise, this Thunderbolt 3 enclosure, with and Monsieur de SSD is far faster than the internal SSD, and my workflow and rendering times are now noticeably faster when I work directly from this drive enclosure. The fan is key and keeps the Uni cool, even when performing heavy I/O operations. The Uni feels high quality, made of milled aluminum. Interesting, it has the same footprint as a Raspberry Pi, making me imagine other future projects. A clean, small tilde 3. 75x1. 75x3 8e, that pack up to 2 TB of portable and fast storage. This is a much needed device for people like me who have Apple computers with inadequate and irreparable internal storage yet have Thunderbolt 3 port, typical 27-inch Mac and Mac Mini owners. My combination of an i7 based iMac, display enclosure and a Samsung Evo 1 TB 970 NVMe M2 2280 is functional so far with no issue. Feel appear in Finder after creation, the Uni mounted and mount without complaint. Unlike a previous reviewer's Uni, the cable supplied fits snugly, however it does not have the little click at the end that some Thunderbolt cables do. Read of 2299. 3 MB par seconde and write of 1715. 7 MB par seconde lower than expected but still blissfully fast for sorting large photo file. The speed difference between this setup and an external SATA SSD easily translates into time savings that would mean a lot of money to a professional photographer. For cost reasons, my workflow goes XQD camera cards plus grand que Flegling with Samsung 970 plus grand que Samsung SATA SSDs in external enclosures. Many people would skip the SATA SSDs and just go with one of the cloud storage solutions available everywhere. I used the Blackmagic Design speed test app to for the read-write performance numbers. My iMac is one of the new ones with the non-replaceable and somewhat small built-in storage, so this is just the thing to extend the life and capacity of storage. Until prices on Thunderbolt 3 devices come down, I will use this Flegling enclosure and Samsung NVMe Monsieur de SSD for the work drive and then use SATA SSD drive a nearline and distilled archive backups. The enclosure does get warm, but not warmer than a Samsung T5 external drive during a low of write cycle. I'm a bit concerned that it doesn't seem to cool off much after a workout. I'll come back to update this review if the storage media fell early. While no fault of this enclosure, it sure would be nice to have a door in the Apple Compute to simply insert an extra NVMe SSD instead of having yet another cable and box on the outside. This enclosure at least keeps it small and neat. If reliability issue come up too soon, I'll be back to update this review. Starting with a full 5-star because everything needed arrived, including a cool little star drive screwdriver to install the SSD. The cases held together with fasteners that use the same size tool as the internal media. The cost was painful but the pleasure and efficiency of whipping through my image sorting out of camera is super. Update, December 23, 2019. The original cable did start to exhibit issue with loose fee at the ends. I didn't have much of an issue with it, because I used the drive on a desktop. I ordered a good quality cable from another manufacturer, all is well. For some reason, this review appears with the Thunder 2.0 GB active cooling model, which is not the fanless, silver-colored, small uni that I received and reviewed a few months ago. One does have to wonder if my original concerns about it were an issue. So far, speeds remain excellent and I am still very pleased with the silent and fast uni that I received. I'm not going to knock a star for the cheap cable. Pretty soon now, there will probably be a lot of fast alternative to this uni, perhaps some reasonably priced multi-stick units as well. For the time being, it be very unhappy to be without this extra high-speed means of work, scratch storage. I am upset to see my review tag onto another device that apparently is not the same device. I should deduct 4 stars just for that, but I will warn you, dear reader, of what is going on. You judge for yourself, if you are looking at the silver-colored, fanless, Monsieur de NVMe version of this drip. I have no experience to share with the new active cooling version of this unit. En lire plus. He initially bought one of these and connected it with a Sabre Rocket 2 TB and was getting great performance, over 2 kb, for reads and write. He did read from other reviews that there was fan noise, but he didn't notice the noise from the fan at all. So, if you're wanting a great Thunderbolt 3 enclosure, I would highly recommend this product, but there's a catch. If you happen to want to use two of these on the same machine at the same time, in my case, a MacBook Pro, late 2016, you are out of luck. Unfortunately, these enclosures consume too much bus power to be able to use more than one at a time. I would have easily rated this a 5, but because of the power issue I bumped it down by 1. I did end up returning both devices because of this issue. This enclosure plus Samsung Evo Plus just worked brilliantly on Mac, unlike the Wavelink enclosure plus Sabre Rocket it read earlier and had to return due to constant kernel crashing of the Mac OS CSI errors. Specific SSD it read had some issue with macOS. This is not the device manufacturer problem but IMHO since they are aware of the problem they must inform you before you buy. This is a case after all you have to get some SSD to use it. 970 Evo Plus with old firmware HAS huge issue with Mac systems, so you will need Samsung Magician software to upgrade it and then it will work. Initially it issue observed and random disconnection are also gone after upgrade. Only downside is that it does not really deliver Thunderbolt 3 performance when it comes to write. If write speed is priority you can easily get simpler USB-C case. But reads are fast 2400 MB, S is consist. Rating it 4 since not every customer may be savvy enough to upgrade firmware and all. Plus my trouble ordering something else which I don't need. This fledgling shells under NVMe SSD external drive case is amazing. Super fast, great quality and best of all fledgling provide outstanding customer service going above and way beyond. I have not purchased two of these and they are working flawlessly. I am planning on buying a third one. The first two I have are the ones with passive cooling, and so far so good. I love their small form factor and they match my MacBook Pro laptop to boot. The next one I buy is going to be the one with active cooling and will be used as a scratch disk to speed up photo and video editing. I have tested a few different NVMe chips and so far the ones I have found to work best are the Sabre Rocket chips, Fundir, AMZN.TO/2QM TZ chips work flawlessly on OS X, which I can say the same for the chips from others, including Samsung. The speeds I am seeing are up to 1600 MB per second write and 700 MB per second reads which is pretty amazing. Keep in mind that the shells under only works with Thunderbolt 3, not any other type of interface. Fledgling shells under SSD enclosure with active cooling for Thunderbolt 3 and Sabre 2 TB Rocket NVMe PCIe Monsieur de 2280 internal SSD high performance solid state drive easy installation, extra screws were provided for the case, and a Thunderbolt cable is also included. Click link in description for more reviews.